Most people get credit building apps completely wrong. They assume any app that says, "Build credit fast," will instantly boost their score. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some tools build real credit history, while others mainly build reporting activity with very limited impact. So today, we are breaking down Kikoff in 2026 and answering the real question. Does it actually build your credit score? Or is it just another beginner credit tool with limited power? Let's get into it. The Kikoff is a credit building product designed for people with no credit or very thin credit files. Instead of a traditional credit card, it gives you a small credit line through a digital account, and your payments get reported to credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. Kikoff typically works by giving you access to a small credit account that you use for simple digital purchases inside the system. You then make monthly payments, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus like Experian. But here's the problem most people don't understand. Because the credit line is very small and usage is limited, the impact on your credit score may not be as strong as a traditional credit card or installment loan with higher activity. It builds history but not necessarily depth. Let's make this real. Imagine Alex is completely new to credit. He signs up for Kikoff and starts making small monthly payments. After a few months, he sees his credit file start to show activity. That is good, because it creates a foundation. But here's the catch. If Alex only relies on Kikoff and nothing else, his credit profile may still look thin to lenders. That means he might still struggle when applying for car loans or premium credit cards later. Now let's talk about structure. Kikoff is not a traditional credit card like those running on the Visa system. There is no physical card you swipe everywhere. Instead, it is mainly focused on reporting structured payments. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest advantage of Kikoff is accessibility. It is very easy to get started, often with no credit check, making it attractive for beginners who cannot qualify for traditional credit products. However, that ease comes with limitations. It does not offer rewards, it does not provide flexible spending power, and it does not fully replace a real credit card in your credit mix. So does it actually build your score? Yes, it does build credit history, especially payment history, which is a major factor in your score. But it is best used as a starting tool, not a long-term credit strategy on its own. Here is the final takeaway. Kikoff is a simple and beginner-friendly credit builder that works, but it is most effective when combined with other credit tools over time. If this helped you understand it better, like the video, leave a comment about your credit journey, and subscribe for more clear, honest credit breakdowns that actually help you build smarter financial habits.